Cloaked in folds of midnight waters, side by side, we sons and daughters, we set forth for no king's orders, but we'll sail together. Hold fast, tides are turning, flames roar, fires are burning, we'll all be returning if we sail together.
Big box, haven't you?
The whole thing, mate?
Is that what? Pardon?
Sorry?
No, just for today. Just
Right.
get what.
Yeah.
Yeah, the whole trip. As long as we can get the food. Yeah. What I might do, I don't need that out today. I probably won't need that out today, so I've got milk. Won't need milk today.
You slacker. Leave us to do the peddling.
Roll full panel. Kerry, just slide a bit. Can't hold it off a bit. Oh, Nige, that's one past the goalie. Woohoo! 1-0. Okay, just show us on the map where we are.
Right, down in here.
Yep.
Good.
Right.
Rocky bits.
Okay, there's Nige there, eh? Yeah, there we go. Like your way that. Nice. Is it you?
Real well, eh? Real well. Yes.
9.5 hours.
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, this is our campsite, and we decided to get the Seymour hut to miss, and there's lovely spots in here amongst the poplars. And there's a few others camping here, but I think they're just full drivers. And Paul here, he's getting into the food already. Look at that. He's out of the beers. Oh, that's chocolate melting.
Is it?
Yeah, it's just chocolate. I reckon, Nige.
It's I've had enough of this wine actually.
Throughout that river.
Did you believe that? That's
No, that's fine, that's warning enough. Look, white bait.
alright, healthy one.
Yeah, good ones. West Coast.
Haven't seen that before.
He's a West Coast mate.
Alright, they're real ones.
Yeah.
They're not the...
You gotta let your video.
What are you eating, Nige?
I'm not swimming around.
No.
Give him a bit of encouragement. I'm swimming.
The ones I've seen are
So you're making a quiche thing, eh? Oh,
Yeah.
spritzers.
Let's come out, they're good, aren't
Yeah, the good ones.
the great ones.
they?
25 bucks
Great.
for that.
And Paul,
Any words of wisdom? No, same. I think we've been pretty blessed with this amount of white bait for free.
Free.
I'm not paying for it. But $120 a kilo. Well done, I say.
It'll be cold.
Look at that, eh? Little birthday to Nige. Happy birthday to Nige. Happy birthday, dear Nigel. Happy birthday to you. Rightio, check him in. Hip.
I've got any game.
No, they're off. I think we're unsuccessful there.
Where's my hat?
Look all day.
You okay?
I'm gonna make you mine. How long before you wake up? Find a good man gone. How long? Gone.
Sorry, I wasn't much help there. I thought I'd take a risk. Yeah.
The river's got so smooth.
Yeah.
You couldn't tell it was a rock or what. It's
Yeah, there's a few rocks that snuck up on me.
usually you can tell it was a rock on the way, but some today there's some there. You think, wow, it's a rock.
Yeah.
Maybe it's just that flow. It's just starting to sort of ride out the waves.
I'm here looking after the boat while the rest are going to have a look at a decent set of rapids called the Jawbreaker, which some of us are a bit nervous about. And it's a beautiful day. It's very, very hot. It feels like about 30 degrees, and so it's very much a nor'west day. We've been out for a swim, and we're going through a gorge at the moment that does a few S-bends, and by about 4 or 5 o'clock today we'll reach the Cabbage Tree Flats, or whatever it's called, for our second night out. A lot's happened. An awful lot's happened, eh fellas?
It has.
The day hasn't unfolded as we anticipated. So what, you were talking about cameras. What are you going on about cameras? Cameras for Graham?
Wow. See, Kerry about my camera. She'll tell you the story.
Oh, who wants to tell?
No, I wasn't witness to that story.
We've had a very busy day today. We are all tired. It's almost 8 o'clock, tea's on the go, and this is the last campsite we found, thanks to good old Nige.
11 hours on the river.
11 hours on the river. Yeah, very, very windy old tritnell, but anyway, this is Nigel, by the way. And so far on our journey we've come across a few gnarly bits. Back about 4 hours. We lost a person, didn't we? Man overboard. And
Woman overboard.
woman overboard. Now this happened after the
Jawbreaker.
Jawbreaker. And we come across this nosebreaker. which we weren't bracing ourselves for. Over we went, twisty turny stuff on a rock. Kerry out there on her own down the rapids, and the camera didn't come back with her, so yeah, so we're reliant on this footage now. At least, everyone's still smiling at least. They're still smiling.
My life makes perfect
Right, you need your welding glasses on.
Right. They're both going. They're both went.
Oh yeah?
They've got to be quick.
Yeah, good on you. Oh. Whoa. Shoot!
Don't get me wrong. That's what happens. I don't care if my liver is hanged by a thread. Don't care if my doctor says I